Good afternoon, sir. We are here to present assignment of Advanced Java about servlet request interface. Here we are group number 4. I'm Ruiz Ndaizeye. We are here with Paul, Shimi, Emerance, and Robert. We are going to present servlet request interface. First of all, we are studying about servlet request interface that defined as an object of servlet used to provide the client. As you see here, this client requests information to a servlet such as a content type, content level, parameter names and values as the header of informations, attribute, and so on. So a part of this servlet request, that's enough for definition. We are going to see the package that you can use in servlet request. Here, the package that you can use in servlet request, the java.txt servlet package. This is a package that contains the numbers of classes and the interface. This will be described as defined as the contracts between a servlet class and the runtime environment provided for any instance of such as a class by a confirming servlet container. Then another package that you can use in servlet request. Here is another java.txt servlet HTTP package. This package will be contained by numbers of classes and interface that describe and define the contracts between a servlet class running and the HTTP protocol and the runtime environment provided for an instance of such a class by confirming servlet container. This is how you can use this package in servlet request. We have seen two that you can use it. There is another one which is called the javax.servlet HTTP package. As I say, for this one you can use for HTTP protocol and the runtime environment that will provide for an instance of such a class by confirming servlet container, as I have said above. So this is how you can use the servlet package. Another point, there is a method of servlet request interface. We are going to see the method that we are going to use using here by servlet request interface. Their main method defined as in the servlet request interface. Some of them are flows before this. They are method and description. That is a public string, get parameter, string name. There is public string, get parameter value, string name. Those are methods that can be used in servlet request interface. There are some descriptions about this method. For example, for that public string, get parameters, string names. This is used to obtain the values of by name. This one and public strings get parameter values. This is for another method. This is to return an array of string containing all values given by given parameter name. This is mainly used to obtain values of multiple select, request, list box. There are another method, what you call Java itself, enumeration, get parameter names. This is to return enumeration of all the record parameter names. Another method. Those are some methods that can be used for servlet request. This is so many. Another one is public abstract string get servlet get server name. This is to return the host name of the server that can receive the request. This can be used for returning the host name of the server. The other one is public int get server port. This method can be used to return the port number on which this request was received. Here you can use this method in order to return the port of number on which this request can be received. There are so many examples of servlet requests to display the name of the user. As you see here, this is the example that we are going to see. This is how you can display your names of the user in the servlet. For this purpose, we have to use get parameter method to return the value for the given request parameter. This is a get parameter method that can be used to return the values for the given request parameter, as I have said above about the method. When client sends the request to the web server, the container creates servlet request and the response object. The request object provides the access to request data. This is the examples. You have to make the HTML form, which is called index.html. As you see here, this is form action named by welcome method get. Here you can enter your names, input type text, name, and so on, and make break. And other one, you have to make the login. When you click on login, you see the page which we call welcome, and then you add your name. For example, it can be welcome Louis. Other one, demo server.java. You have to import Java first of all, the servlet http.stars. Import Java. As you do the Java as servlet, you can import java.io, public class demo server extend http servlet. This public class demo server can be extended to http servlet. Public void to get http servlet request, http servlet response through servlet exception. This is when you have to declare the servlet. You have to make result.set content. You can set content type text.html in order to bring in print writer, pw, request.get writer, string name, request.get parameter. So apart from this will be return the values which we call welcome plus name, and then you close your program, and the output will be welcome plus name. For example, when I enter the name Louis or Paul, it display welcome Paul. This is how you can use servlet request interface. There's some references as you see here. You can join this. And thanks for your attention. Thanks for being with us. Stay in touch. Thank you.